What's up, Riders Nation? I'm back out at Bergen County Harley Davidson for their monthly bike night. Let's see how much fun we can have. In case you have never seen a motorcycle club enter an event, this is what it looks like, and it is a grand entrance every time. Someday, when I grow up, I want to make a grand entrance like this into anywhere. I think every one of these bikes were just about as customized as they possibly could be. They were all in pristine condition and 100% clean. This is Bergen County Harley Davidson's monthly bike night. It's held the fourth Thursday of every month. Bergen County Harley Davidson is located at 124 Essex Street in Rochelle Park, New Jersey. And out of the frying pan into the fire, look at all of these bikes. We go straight to the stars of the night, the bikes. And as you can see, there's no shortage of amazing bikes here tonight. But this one on the end right here, something different, something next level, something special. If you were ever in Times Square in New York between the 1970s and the 1990s, looking at this bike will immediately take you back there. This bike was so special and done so well, I had to detail this one a little more in its own short. So if you get a chance, check that short out. Bergen County Harley Davidson has more vendors at their monthly bike night than most large events have. The bike night starts at 5 p.m., goes till 9 p.m., and bikes seem to roll in continuously throughout the night. There had to be at least 300 bikes here, all customized differently. The band Southern Stew entertained with some really good music. If I have anything negative to say about Bergen County's bike night, is that they need more than one food truck. I shot this video when I first arrived around 6 p.m. and the rest of the night there was a line at least 20 deep waiting to get food at this one food truck. Please hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. And while you're there, you might as well smash that like button and let me know where you go for your bike nights and how this one compares to the bike nights that you go to wherever you live. This is a little bit of a closer look of the club that entered at the beginning of the video. And oh, this red one was something special. Elevated to another level, the next level, I guess. It was just special. It stuck out. It seems like every bike that I see has something on it that I've never seen before. Check out this road glide. The black and the red, the badging, and what I consider the craziest bars I've ever seen. These bars were so big and so pulled back. The red accents were everywhere. The red speaker grills just popped out on this bike and made such a difference. This bike right here had the most realistic flames. They almost looked 3D and almost looked like they were moving. The detail on the seat was also amazing. Someone did some really good work on this bike. Torque had a vendor's tent right there. They sell a Kevlar lined hooded zip up sweatshirt that I've been looking at. More bikes, and more bikes. This never gets old to me. And the bikes and the people just kept on coming and coming and coming. They even had a fresh mozzarella stand with some of the best cheese I've ever tasted. This is a bike night, right? Fresh mozzarella cheese stand at a bike night. And as the sun started to go down, the lights on these bikes started to shine. And finally, yes, there is always one. Bergen County Harley Davidson runs the best monthly bike night that I have ever been to by far. There's got to be 300 bikes there. The amount of vendors that they have, the sales that they put on during the bike nights. This is the place to be on the fourth Thursday of the month, that's for sure. And on top of everything else that went good tonight at Bergen County Harley Davidson, I didn't spend any money. That's going to be it for me, folks. Until next time, stay safe, live the dream.